Hi guys!
Hi.
Meet my dear friend, amazing sister who came to visit me from New York. Her and her sister, Jalila. Jalila want to say hi. Yeah.
Hi, everyone.
So, anyways, so I'm so sad because they're leaving tomorrow. They came here Friday. They came to Grand Rapids from New York, and they're going back tomorrow. So I'm really sad. But anyways, we had a really good day today. We went out on a date and just came back home. It is 1 a.m. right now. By the way, we didn't just come back right now. It's already 1:15 a.m. We didn't just come back. No. We came back like 3 hours ago. We came back home like around 11. But right when we get back, Ameera wanted to share her cake recipe. This is a really good cake. And so yeah, I thought it would be nice to share the recipe with you guys. So yeah, tell us about this cake.
Well, quick disclaimer, I am definitely not a professional. I just kind of threw everything in there, so I hope it's pretty easy for you to follow. This is kind of like, I don't know if you have any Hausa subscribers, but like...
Oh, a lot.
Cake
They're
and
my biggest fan.
it's done locally. There's no icing or anything on it. So I really wanted to do it, and
it's really yummy. Just to let you guys know.
yeah, someone from home actually like sent an audio, and I just kind of threw everything together. I'm not following any rules here. So for you professional bakers, please don't judge me.
I'm not a good baker too. Like I always mess it up. The only thing I can bake, I think, is meat pie. That's about it. Anyways, so we're gonna head to the kitchen right now, and then we're gonna make that cake. See you in the kitchen.
So here are all the ingredients that you'll need. We're gonna first start off by putting 4 eggs inside of the mixer. Putting all those 4 eggs, crack, crack, crack. Second one, crack the third one, put it inside, and then the last one. So that's 4 eggs. I made a little mess there. All right, so now you're turning on your mixer. You're gonna just stir it until the eggs are beaten a little bit, just like that. All right, so now the eggs have been beating for like 30 seconds. Now I'm slowly adding 1 cup of sugar inside and beating it again until all the sugar is inside. All right, so after 30 seconds, I'm now stopping my mixer, and I'm grabbing my cup of self-rising flour. It is 2 cups and a little bit, I would say 1/3 of a cup. And so I just put it inside and I just stir. Really, this is not any professional baking, so don't judge, please. Then I'm adding my butter. It's just going all inside. As you can see, it's not even mixing well, but who cares? All we care about is the end result. So just waiting for everything to go in a little bit. And then I'm adding my peak milk. You can also use carnation milk, 1 can, but these ones are the small ones, so I'm using 2. So just putting everything inside. That was the first one. And then now here comes the second one. So again, this is not professional. Like, I'm just pouring everything inside. It's just mixing. And I think this one is on a 2. It's pretty low. All right, so now everything should have been mixed up a little bit. Now I'm grabbing my baking powder and grabbing my measuring spoon. This is 1 tablespoon. Just gonna put that inside again and let everything mix together. The idea is to get things as mixed together as possible, but not too much. It's all gonna come out well in the oven, hopefully. All right, so at this point, I'm just letting it mix for like 2 minutes, and I started cleaning because I don't want this girl to come and be like, I can shoot in there. So it's just mixing for like 2 minutes. Just keep mixing, mixing, mixing. And until it's like, I don't see any flour on the top. All right, so at this point, not a professional baker by any means. So I just want to make sure that all the flour is not sitting on the bottom. And you could see the consistency. It's not too thick. It's not too watery. That's how it looks. So I mixed it up a little bit. And then I'm actually going to put it back so that it mixes just for 1 to 2 more minutes on low, just to make sure that everything is mixed together. All right, so at this point, it's been mixing for like 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to stop it. It's ready. And I'm going to put it in this, what is this thing called? The cupcake thingy, majig. I don't know what to call it. But because I don't have the, what do you call this? The paper to put for the cupcakes. We're heating up some more butter in the microwave, and then we're just gonna grease the inside to make sure that it doesn't stick. Okay, so now it's time to pour it inside. As you can see, I'm struggling. This thing is pretty strong. I'm like,
I don't know how easy you guys are
struggling with this. All right, so you want to make sure that this can get messy. So you just put it in. As you can see, it's not all the way. It's maybe like 3/4 of the way. And then now you just putting it in. This was actually the second batch that we put inside. And this is the finished results. Looks golden brown and yummy and delish. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see, like, oh my God, professional in the making. It looks so good and fluffy inside.
Yep, it is really yummy.
Has a really good texture. Just like,
hey, let me have that one.
All right,
so yummy. Oh my God, guys.
Let's take a taste.
Why are you like playing with us? It's really good. Right.
Not because I did it, but this is good.
The picture didn't do the cake justice. That's why I was like, oh, and we have to do another video to like show how the cake really looks like. It's really good. Like, oh my God. So we already had some with some, hot tea. For the culture. Is it even our culture to drink tea?
Thank you, Mr. Kadia.
I'm gonna try to like guys, but
just like drinking tea.
I think we drink tea like 3 times, like really, because we drink it in the morning, and then we drink it later before we left the house, and then at night we took the tea with the cake. It was really nice. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So if this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe for more, delicious recipes.
Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Yep, exactly. That is the thing. That is the way. Yeah. So I think I will try soon. My next video will be like this vacation we went to the Smoky Mountains. So don't miss that. And yeah, guys, have a good night. We're so sleepy. Ameera doesn't look sleepy. Are you even sleepy?
When I take this off, you'll see.
Yeah, we're just gonna go take up our makeup and then go to bed. We're the only 2 people awake, I think. Everyone went to bed. So anyways, guys, see you again.
Bye.